Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Lexisnexis for legal research. Lexisnexis is a powerful legal research tool used by lawyers, students, and professionals to find case law statuses and legal articles. It offers an extensive database of court decisions, legal news, and secondary sources. The search function is advanced, allowing users to filter results by jurisdiction, date, and relevance. Boolean search operators help refine queries for precise results. Shepherd's citation service is a key feature that helps check if a case is still valid. The interface can feel complex for beginners, but tutorials and guides makes learning easier. Subscription costs can be high, but it's worth it for professionals needing in-depth legal research. It also integrates with legal writing tools, making drafting documents more efficient. Some users find the mobile version less user-friendly than the desktop version. Overall, it's an essential resource for thorough and reliable legal research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.